Very interesting and fast growing cricket league.
Best wishes to all the doctors. భారతదేశం అంతా కూడా చేసి ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా డాక్టర్స్ T20 సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటారు. This is the unique way of promoting
doctors, the health awareness.
Health, wealth, అన్ని ఇందులో sort of becoming a part of society.
very good initiative taken by AD11.
I really appreciate Anil Garan. So nice of him that he is getting all the teams together here and making us play a tournament.
Beginning for a long journey. We are looking forward to this tournament.
Anil Pendela Garu, founder of Anil Dreams Entertainments, AD11 Sports.
This is not only journey, this is my life. 20 years of entertainment journey in India. Anjali Pendela, director of AD11 Sports.
This year, we are coming up with more tournaments in various cities like Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, and also the prestigious DT20 India Cup and International Cup.
We should promote health among the doctors. We have a vision to do in other countries.
Urban Rise marketing head Mr. Uday Krishna is going to launch the jersey.
డాక్టర్స్ కోసం ఎంత కష్టపడి ఒక క్రికెట్ టోర్నమెంట్ ని చేయటం మొట్టమొదటిసారి నేను చూస్తున్నాను.
We are very proud to be actually supporting and showcasing this event.
You are all so great people. You have a good heart.
You can actually challenge our CCL also with Doctors League.
Definitely it is going to rocking tournament.
Doctors T20 will be organized in Switzerland.
A lot of action-filled matches.
మీరు హెల్తీగా ఉంటే ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటే స్పోర్ట్స్ ని ప్రమోట్ చేస్తే కామన్ మ్యాన్ కూడా స్పోర్ట్స్ ని ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా తీసుకుంటారు.